Assalamu Alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video we are looking at one single stock, and that company is Cummins. Cummins is basically been in my portfolio for a very long time. What we're going to do now is have a look at the financials, see if this company is actually a buy or sell or whatever. It's been in my portfolio for a long time. Like I said, it was in the red for a very long time. Now it's actually back to fair values or maybe in the greens. Okay, so what I want to show you is just to give you the little bit more details about the company. So this company is actually, if we go here, okay, it designs, manufactures and distributes and services diesel and natural gas engines, electric and hybrid powertrains and related components worldwide. So they don't just basically develop these products for just the US based, they are a worldwide company, which is very good. It operates through 5 segments, so engine, distribution components, okay, power subsystems and new power. Now the new power sector is basically the renewable side of things, okay, so they're not focusing on the old diesel engines. This company has been around since 1919. So if you think about the diesel engines, they were one of the first basically companies that actually came up with them. So 1919, okay, so it's been around for a very long time. Some of their customers, okay, include the Chrysler, is the parent company of Mercedes, if you like, the Dodges and the Volvo as well. So they design their own engines, and they also have customers that are some of the biggest companies like Ford and so on. Okay, so they're not just designing their own ones, they're also designing for other companies. But what they all do is they'll design it and the company will write their name on it, and then that's it. They also have their own branded basically engines that they sell to the basically trains and things like that, the the big tractors and all of those. Okay, so when you look at their financials, one of the things that they're actually focusing on more is basically trying to be on the sustainable side of things, okay, and they're basically doing a lot with that. So in terms of trains and so on, the buses and tractors, whatever. Okay, so when you look at their financials, it's actually quite interesting. It's very good. Like I said, it's a very old company. The revenue is not that big, okay, but when you look at this and you realize, so there are different components, each component in basically how it's broken down. So the engines are basically the big selling. They've got other components, distributions, power systems. New power is basically something they're working on. So that's going to be the next big thing for them. And that will be, we'll see started seeing as some sort of a revenue just 2021. So 2022 will be interesting to see where that is headed. So they're not just the old company that is staying where they were 100 years ago. They are in reinventing, and they're putting a lot more money to work as well, which is very good to see. Now let's have a look at the financials. In terms of stock, is currently trading $211 per share. Like I said, it's about $29 billion market cap. P is quite low. Price to free cash flow slightly high. I think, like I said in one of the videos, I need to check this. Okay, I need to double check price to free cash flow, because with the website where I'm getting this information from, I don't think that's reliable. This bit anyway, that bit I don't think is reliable. I might have to do manual calculation there. Price to sales, very good. EPS, very good. EPS next year, so this year will basically about $13.44. Next year 20, and current ratio above 1 beta. That, to be honest, this is really huge. That is a massive growth. Return on assets, okay, we're looking about 8.3. Return on equity, we're looking 23.7. Return on investment, we're looking about 16.8. Gross margin of 23.60. Profit margin of 42.10. EPS past 5 years, we're looking about 12.20. Shares outstanding in the millions. Again, like always, just look at that. And I think they're buying back their shares as well as they actually are paying you dividend. So it's slightly down. Basically year to date, it actually bounced back. That's why I'm in the green right now. Okay, they pay you $5.80 for every single share that you own. Dividend yield of 2.76. Payout ratio only 42. This kind of company, you expect it to be like, I don't know, in the 60s and 70s, and the safety normally you expect about, I don't know, 80 or something. But right, look at it, 98. Okay, so it will be actually already went on ex-dividend. I think I'm expecting to get paid this month. In fact, I think they paid me today. I think it was one of the companies that paid me today. Let me just double check dividends. Yep, absolutely. There we go. £14.78. So that is basically what they paid me just today, which is very nice. Okay, and 5-year growth rate of 7%, dividend safety 98, free cash flow of $1.28 billion, enough to cover this dividend, and obviously reinvest the rest of it to the business. Next 5 years, the growth is about 8%, which is really nice. They have a narrow economic moat. And when it comes to valuations, dividend, and according to Morningstar, we're looking at about 11%. Okay, 238 is their price target. Simply Wall Street says 35, so 325. They're a lot more bullish than Morningstar, and Tip Ranks and Yahoo Finance are very kind of similar, $230 and $250 per share. Now, this is, to me, every single company, every single analyst is actually thinks this company is a discounted price at the moment. I'll be honest with you, I want it to go back down a little bit, and I wouldn't be surprised, because normally these companies are very cyclical. So if you look at their charts, you can see up, down, up, down, up, down. So you would have an opportunity at some point if you were interested in this company. I will say right now my average is 226, but I'm up a lot because I'm up a little bit because of the FX impact. Okay, otherwise I would have been down a lot. Okay, but I might wait until maybe it goes back down again below 200, and if it goes below 200, I might actually add another 5 shares. Okay, because when you look at the growth of this business, like the earnings growth for the next year, and when you look at the 8%, and you're looking at basically the fact that it's discounted at the moment, you're getting a basically nice dividend. Is really good. I mean, there's nothing else I can say about this company in terms of I like their product. I like their predictability. Yes, it's very cyclical. It depends on the economic side of things. So if we are in a recession, it might not do as well because people might not buy these cars, and obviously that will impact the company. But again, in the long run, the company that's been around since 1919, I don't think it's anything crazy is going to happen. So InshaAllah khair, I'm just going to keep adding to the company and see how it goes. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was a nice and short video. I want to make sure I want to do those type of videos as much as I can in the next few weeks and months. So if there's any stock that you would like me to look at, okay, I'm going to try to do less than 10 minutes or 10-minute videos just to look at one single stock. Now this is set up and is actually, I put this together. It took a lot of my time to actually put it together, but it is nice and easy to use. Like I said in one of the videos, I can just put any stock there and it just gives me the information just like that I need. Okay, and I can analyze those videos quickly. I don't have to put a lot more time in this. I'm still building it, so InshaAllah, see how it goes. I hope you have a wonderful day. Assalamu Alaikum. If you like this type of videos, by the way, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, tell your friends and family. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I've always said, I'm trying to be transparent. I'm trying to help others. I hope you basically enjoy the videos. Thank you very much. Assalamu Alaikum.